So if you want to get rid of those ugly bland metal HVAC floor vent covers for your luxury vinyl flooring, or maybe you're just tired of tripping over those wooden ones you get from lumber liquidators, I found a solution that's going to work, and they're called Perfect Vents. Perfect Vents is a company that's located in Holly, Michigan, and they manufacture these vent covers from your material or the materials they happen to stock. I'll include the link below this video. With the proper tools, it's an easy installation. Here's how to install them. So when the HVAC guys install the ducting for these vents, they don't really take the time to make sure that they're parallel to the wall, and it doesn't look as good. So the advantage with these retrofit Perfect Vents is that you can actually mount them and measure them so that they're exactly parallel to the wall. When you finish cutting out around the template, you need to move it so that you can cut where the screw tabs were. When you finish cutting around the template, you may need a razor knife to cut in the corners where the blade couldn't reach. Then remove your cut-off scraps and vacuum really well so that none of that vinyl dust comes up out of the vent once your HVAC is running. After you finish cutting and test fitting your piece, you may have to readjust the support plate underneath so that the slots line up.